In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to map Jira workflow statuses to board columns. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to customize your Jira board so that your team's workflow is clear, precise, and truly fits your processes. If you've ever looked at your Jira board and wondered why a task appears in the wrong place, or wished you could tweak your columns to match the way your team actually works, this is for you. Let's get started. First, open up Jira on your browser. Make sure you're logged into your workspace where you have the necessary permissions. Most of the time, you'll need to be a project admin or have similar rights to make these changes. Give Jira a moment to load up your dashboard. This is where all your projects live, and from here we'll zero in on the one you want to adjust. Now pick out the company project you'd like to work with. Just click into the project from your list. This should take you to the main page for that project, where you'll see all your issues, boards, and details. Maybe your team uses this board for tracking sprints, bug fixes, or long-term planning. For any situation, mapping statuses to columns will help everyone understand at a glance where work stands. Look towards the top where your project's name is displayed. There's a little icon with 3 dots right next to the project title. This is actually a shortcut to a menu with extra settings and options, sort of like a Swiss Army knife for project management in Jira. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. A drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, select Board Settings. This is where the magic happens. In the board settings, you have all sorts of ways to tailor the look and feel of your board. You can set filters, card colors, and crucially for today, you can change the board layout. Within the settings, find and click on Layout. Sometimes you'll see it directly as a tab, or you might need to look for it in a sidebar menu. Just make sure you're in the right place. Once you're there, you'll see an option for columns. This is where you decide how your workflow will be visually represented. Each column typically stands for a stage in your process, like to do, in progress, or done, but you can customize these to match whatever stages your team uses. Under Map Statuses to Columns, you'll see all your workflow statuses on one side and your board columns on the other. Here, where the fun part comes in, just drag and drop the tasks or statuses to different columns, arranging them so that each column accurately reflects its stage in your workflow. For example, if you've got a custom status called QA Review, but it's showing up in To Do, you can simply drag it into In Progress or create a new column just for it. This visual mapping makes it much easier for your whole team to track the state of every issue without confusion. Take your time here. Sometimes you might need to pause and think about the best arrangement for your team. Maybe you'll want to merge some statuses into one column or split them out for more detail. Don't worry if you need to experiment, you can always adjust things again later, and that's really all there is to it. Your Jira board is now neatly mapped, and your workflow statuses will align with the board columns your team actually uses. This means less confusion and more clarity in every stand-up or sprint meeting. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions about board settings, workflows, or anything Jira related, just leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.